Hey guys, today we're gonna taste some stuff.
Stuff.
Okay. The first thing that we're gonna start with is the Pockies. These are Japan's. These are from Japan. They come in a box, and in the box there's a little bag with Pockies in it.
What's a Pocky?
It's a breadstick with chocolate on it. It's really good.
Breadstick with chocolate. Huh?
Yeah, take one out and put it on your plate.
Is there any fish guts or anything in here?
No. How would they fit that in with? Just put one on your plate.
Okay.
Okay.
One
So we're gonna
on my plate.
1,
We're
2.
gonna clink it and sink it.
No. 1, 2, 3. It's good. I'm gonna eat that whole.
I could
I
eat
could eat
1,000 of those.
I could eat that whole day.
Yeah.
That's really good.
So what do you think? How many stars do we give this out of 5?
I would give it 4.
4.
Four
I
and
can
a half.
agree. 4.5. I'm gonna go with 4.
Ow, my finger. Next thing is a simple, classic chocolate chip
Classic.
cookie. Classic.
These cookies have been around for a long time.
Yeah.
Everyone
And-
loves a chocolate chip cookie.
Dad, do you think every country has a chocolate cookie?
Probably not.
So, for you, the ones that are don't know what a chocolate chip cookie is, basically breading or
Dough.
with chocolate chip, which is chocolate shaped in a.
Are we really explaining what a chocolate chip cookie is?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just dough with chocolate in it, so.
I want one.
Get
too.
one. Here. Okay.
Classic.
Classic.
Awesome.
It's good.
There's only one thing this needs.
Yeah?
Milk.
Of course. I'll eat this too.
So how many stars?
Speaking of thumbs up, you have to like this video.
Subscribe, comment, share, like, retweet, snap, Instagram.
We don't have tweet or Instagram, so we're not gonna do that.
Okay, don't do any of that.
No. Like this video, subscribe, but comment.
And then go get some cookies
Chocolate chip cookie.
and eat a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Bye.
Eat it all day, every day. Hey, why are you saying bye?
I thought we were done with the video.
No. I'll be right back.
What are you doing?
Take one. Next one is going to be a classic chip.
Classic chips.
Yeah.
Everybody loves them.
Probably can hear that shuffling noise. That's a bag.
All right, enough
Classic.
cookies, dude. I don't want those.
I do. You're gonna have to, Dad.
Those are very old.
Oh God.
Throw them out.
Okay. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Okay, for our final snack,
Yeah.
let me
Is
open this so it doesn't get destroyed.
yeah. It is. Dad, I got a joke for you.
What?
This video is gonna be really cheesy.
Whoa! Another classic.
Yeah.
It's just full of classics.
Did we show them what
No,
we had?
I don't think so.
So it's backwards in the camera, but it's goldfish. Goldfish is a bread. Is it bread? Bread made?
It's cracker.
Bread cracker. Bread cracker with cheese. It's kind of like Cheez-It, but not really like baked. Is it baked?
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like cooked and everything. So, here, I'm just like 4.
I have more.
Okay. How much do you have?
4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cheesy.
So cheesy. So crunchy.
Yeah.
4.5.
I'll give it 5.5.
5.5 out of 5?
No, I meant like, yeah, 4.5.
Okay.
It's good. It's good stuff right there.
So like, comment, subscribe.
You already said that. And
Again.
notification.
Yeah, get some notifications going. And email us. And send us a letter in the mail.
No. Dad, you're not that good with videos.
Okay. So you know what time it is.
No. We don't have it. We don't have a wheel of whatever.
Mythicality.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need our own thing to do at the end of the video.
I don't know. What's that mean?
Goodbye, in Japanese.
Okay. Sayonara, suckers. Bye.